Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in onto Xero without Authenticator app. Ulit. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Xero account without Authenticator app. So first, you may want to head over to Xero and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, then click on Account. This will then redirect you to your account settings page. Now, the only way for you to be able to log into your Xero account without using the multi-factor authentication method or the Authenticator app is to turn it off. And to do that, from the account settings page, scroll down, then look for the multi-factor authentication setting, then just beside it, click on the three-dot icon, then click on Turn off multi-factor authentication. The last step is authenticate this request. It could be through a 6-digit code or through a backup email address, just to verify that it is really you authorizing the removal or turning off the multi-factor authentication setting. Then once done, you can just head over and log into your Xero account anytime with the usual entering of your login credentials without the use of Authenticator app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!